Hey, cheese lovers and health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the wonderful world of cheese and its surprising health benefits. Yes, you heard that right. Cheese can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. So let's explore the top 7 cheeses that are not only tasty but also pack a nutritional punch. First up, we have feta cheese. This tangy delight is not just for your Greek salad. Feta is lower in fat and calories compared to other cheeses, and it's rich in calcium, which is essential for bone health. Sprinkle some on your salad or incorporate it into a healthy wrap for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Next, let's talk about goat cheese. Often considered a healthier alternative to cow's milk cheese, goat cheese is easier to digest and contains beneficial fatty acids. Plus, its creamy texture and distinct flavor make it a fantastic addition to your breakfast toast or as a topping on a veggie-packed pizza. Say hello to mozzarella. Particularly when it's fresh, mozzarella is high in protein and calcium. It's perfect for that caprese salad or melted over your favorite homemade pizza. And guess what? It's also got probiotics that help maintain a healthy gut. Now, who can forget about Parmesan? This hard-aged cheese isn't just a topper for your pasta, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in protein and calcium, Parmesan helps strengthen your bones and even aids in muscle recovery. So, grate away and enjoy its bold flavor. Cottage cheese, oh my. This often overlooked cheese is a fitness enthusiast's dream. High in protein yet low in fat, it's perfect for a post-workout snack. Blend it into your smoothies or pair it with fresh fruits for a fulfilling breakfast. Swiss cheese is more than just wholes. It's actually packed with vitamins and minerals. Known for its nutty and sweet flavor, Swiss cheese is high in vitamin B12 and has natural bacteria that benefit your digestive system. Add it to your sandwiches or omelets for a health boost. Last but certainly not least, we have ricotta. This wonderfully light and creamy cheese is a great source of calcium and protein. It's versatile too, perfect in lasagna, as a filling for stuffed pastas, or even as a dessert component mixed with some honey and berries. So there you have it, 7 cheeses that are both mouth-wateringly delicious and surprisingly good for your health. Who said you can't have your cheese and eat it too? Go ahead, add these cheeses to your diet and enjoy the blend of flavors and wellness benefits they bring to your table. Remember, opting for quality, unprocessed cheese is key to getting the most health benefits. Enjoy your cheese journey and stay tuned for more tasty and healthy tips. Thanks for watching.